Let's go. Yes! What's up, everybody? Today is the morning of April 24th. Right now it's about 7:46 in the morning, so we got about 14 minutes before these Yeezy 700s drop on Yeezy Supply. We're running a lot of different bots today. We're running 2 copies of Mech AIO. We're running Dashy. We're running Valor. We're running Prism. Running Quokka on the phone as well. So we got a lot happening today. We got a lot of bots going. We have a lot of tasks going, so fingers crossed that everything works out and then we don't overload, my home PC or my server. I think we'll be good on the server. The only thing I'm worried about is the home PC, because we are running a copy of Mech and we're running the recording software. So we'll have to see if everything goes well. I hope that you guys have an amazing day today on this release. I hope that you guys cook out. I hope that you get all the pairs that you want. Hopefully we'll be able to get some pairs too, make some good content for you guys. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video. You have no idea what liking the video and commenting does. It really pushes our video through the YouTube algorithm, and we're able to get this video out there to more people. So if you haven't already smashed the like button, please do that for me. Please smash the like button. Let's push the content out, and let's keep making these live cops for you guys. So there's the intro. We're about 13 minutes out. We'll check back in closer to the release and hopefully we hit some pairs. Let's get it. Alright guys, it is almost on the hour, so we're going to go ahead and start a few tasks on Dashy, just manually so we don't start all at the same time because that usually fries everything up. Hey, Valor. Oh, Dashy. There we go. There we go, Dashy. Valor, let's go. Let's go, Dashy. Help. No! So tired. Apparently we have Yeezy slides dropping on Foot Locker in a few minutes, but it's like 5 in the morning, so I don't know. Anyways, we'll get you over to the second monitor and let's check it out. I'm about to start ISP task, about 8 minutes away. Here we go. Messed up my capture. Let's go, Whatbot. Let's go. Come on, man. Whatbot. I told y'all earlier I was counting on Whatbot. So drops in about 4 minutes, so we're about to go ahead and start tasks, and hopefully we get some checkouts today, and hopefully we have some good success like we really need today. So I wish you guys the best of luck. If you haven't already, like the video and subscribe to the channel down below. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well. It really means a lot to me. It really helps the channel out, and it helps us push our content out in front of people who aren't already subscribed. So with that being said, let's get into this release. Jordan 13. Let's get it. Look at that. Look at this, bro. Prism is going nuts. Prism is going insane. This is so crazy. Look at this. We're already at 16 checkouts. 6 minutes in. Valor. Let's go. Boom. Just like that. That's why we're closing. Checked out on Prism. It can't even keep up. Valor's cooking now, out of nowhere. What's up, guys? Today is Thursday, April something. I don't know. We're towards the end of the month. We have a lot of packages to unbox. So I've let all these boxes get on top of me. If you guys see the boxes over here, these are all boxes from Nike and one from Hibbett. That's for a completely different series that I'm filming. If you guys haven't watched episode 1 of that, I'll link that up in the cards. Go check that out right now. Now, these shoes over here, these two Jordan 1s right here that you guys already see that are out of the box because I couldn't wait to unbox those. If you guys know your boxes, you know that these are from Supreme. Right now, if you guys haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below. We also have an exciting announcement that I'm going to be partnering up with a local sneaker shop here. If you guys are in my area, you know who I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Vault 409. So we have a lot of exciting stuff coming. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit the bell to turn on notifications as well, so you'll be notified every time we go live or every time we post a video. Now, let's get on to these boxes. Let's go ahead and unbox these two. So let's talk about these two boxes first. As you guys can see, these are Supreme Nike boxes. So you already know these are Supreme Air Force Ones. Both of these are in a size 9.5, which is pretty interesting that I was able to get both colorways in one single size. So let's take a look. 4 pairs of these Supreme Air Force Ones. One in black, one in white. We were able to get these courtesy of Swiftsoul. So if you guys are looking for a quick and easy Supreme bot, I highly recommend getting into Swiftsoul. It's a mobile bot. I do have an affiliate link for Swiftsoul, so if you guys want to save some money and also support me, check out the link down there in the description right now, and that will get you some money off of, in my opinion, the best Supreme mobile bot out there. So save yourself some money, help out me, and also get you a good Supreme bot that consistently eats up these restocks. So now let's talk about the Jordan 1s. Once again, I'm not going to waste a ton of time talking about these. You guys have already seen these. These are the Jordan 1 University Blues, courtesy of Whatbot, and the proxies that I was using was Live Proxies, Mushroom Proxies, and Venus Proxies. So Mushroom and Venus are kind of new to the channel. You guys will hear more about them as we go throughout the Live Cop series. Very, very great proxies, and you guys already know about Live Proxies. I don't even have to mention that. Just a beautiful shoe. Jordan 1 University Blue, didn't get my size. Got 3 pair, didn't get my size. Jordan 1 Hyper Royal, I don't know if you guys have seen that footage yet or not. Spoiler alert, got some pairs but didn't get my size. But anyways, we got 2 more pairs of Jordan 1 University Blues. Great colorway, great hold in my opinion. These will be probably touching $500, $600, $700 next year maybe. We'll see. I really hope to hold on to all of my pairs of Jordan 1 University Blues that we get in. So, with that being said, let's move on to this mystery sneaker down here. I have a theory of what this could be, but I don't want to say yes and then get disappointed. So, let's unbox it right now. I'm actually going to show you guys the unboxing so you can get the live reaction. And let's see if it is what I think it is. It is a Foot Locker box. Oh, snap. No, I was not right at all. I completely forgot about these. As you guys can see on the box, this is a pair of Yeezy slides. So here are these resin Yeezy slides. Seeing these in person kind of decides it for me. I did get a size 9 or 10, I believe, of Yeezy supply, and I was really leaning towards keeping them, but this resin color is so very good shoe. Another one, a lot of profit sitting down here on the floor right now. Very, very good unboxing for you guys this week. 5 shoes, a lot of profit, well over $1,000 profit. So very cool to see. Now, where are we gonna put all this stuff? Because we don't have enough room for all of this. We'll see you guys on the next one.